Welcome to KK Artist Castle. Hope you're fine, doing great. This video is on 21 days challenge and 5-point agenda. 1. Always ensure you keep your pencil sharp and ready, because as when you sit before drawing, ensure you keep a jar like this. Keep all things ready so that you will have the interest towards drawing it. If I start doing a drawing, my pencil is ready for drawing. Having good cutter, handle with care. You should have good eraser, mono eraser, needle eraser. I'm using Faber-Castell one. This is, I've not opened the seal. I use the needle eraser, which will really supports your drawing. Point number 2. You should have good drawing book or drawing sheet. I purchased an excellent book which was in the market. I'll just show you this. This one I bought it. This is A3 size book, which is 297 into 420 mm. It has 50 sheets. This is 130 GSM. Practice daily. What you practice daily? People say that my students, when they come to class, I make them do practice basics daily. I'm using 5B pencil. You can use any pencil. I prefer using B pencil. This brand of B pencil is quite dark. C. You should use sleeping line. What is the formula of doing this? Is there any condition? Is there any rule? Like, what is this boring practice? You need to practice this multiple times. What is the agenda you're practicing here? You're practicing the equal distance between line to line. You're practicing that. You're practicing the equal flow of lines as a ladder. You're practicing the consistency. You're practicing the thickness of the line. Do check my video on basic strokes, and there is one more video which says about don't start your drawing until you practice this. There is second video which are basics, very important. So do check the video. Kindly click the link which is visible. You will be able to find those two videos exclusively for this topic which will cover. And as you know, there is a standing line. You can hold your pencil like this. You can hold the pencil like this. There is no specific condition. But when you hold your pencil like this, when you do the outline, the perspective of handling the drawing will be different. Trust me. Try to do that. Yes, standing line. Here, one more point. If you do detailing, you should use your fingers. Okay, which I learned, I have understood this one very clearly, so that you can really adopt this. For detailing, try to use your fingers. Use my pinky to get the support so that it won't spoil the beauty of my book or my paper. And practice circles. And I also get queries saying that how many times should I practice this set? See, if you're using this one, if you're good in sleeping line, you can practice once. If you want to improve that stability, you want to improve the sleeping line strokes, try to do multiple times. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. And don't do it monotonous. Don't do for sake of doing it. So it will You should get that ease when you do it. When I do my sleeping line or when I do my slanting line, I feel so great because it will form perfectly well. No, if you don't see, one more point I want to reiterate. See, if you avoid these basics, initially, things will not stop now. It will haunt you if you avoid anything which is tough. Life, initially, you might feel that you are relieved from that, but trust me, it won't leave you. It won't leave you until you get over it, or you'll stop there itself. Try to get these lines. Try to maintain the equal distance. Are you getting the stroke or not is important. These twists and turns will help you to draw. Example, you're drawing a flower, you're giving some detailing. All those things will matter a lot. So trust me, these are quite important. Do practice daily. See, I'm not using my fingers. What I'm using my hand to draw. Are you getting it? If the subject is big, you should use your hand. If subject is in detail, you should use your fingers. Do practice this one daily. Okay. What is the fourth point? You should believe that you will be learning every day. Art is unlimited. World is like unfinished painting. You will be keep learning day by day. Don't stop yourself. Don't force yourself. If you feel annoyed, if you feel disturbed, just drop there, give a break, start doing better drawing. Okay? Give a gap, go have a cup of coffee or water or some snacks, refresh, come back, practice it. Then, once this is done, make that belief saying that, yes, I'll be learning every day. What is fifth point? Boss, it's time now to draw one drawing per day. Perfect. Try to do a small drawing like this. That's it. One drawing per day.